Hello and welcome, my name is Nick. I'm one of the developers of Upsell. In this video, I'll do a tutorial of the app, and you can skip around the app to find which setting you need. We'll do them in this order as you see on the screen. So first thing, we're gonna enable the app, and to do this, we just need to click this button, Enable in Theme, and this will open the customizer. We need to make sure this is turned on, the Upsell cart embed, and this will show this small bubble, which you can also customize. I'll show you in a bit. We'll click on Save. And now everyone who will click Add to Cart, it will open the drawer. So now we can see the drawer here by going to the cart editor. Now we have enabled the app. Next is support. You can use our live chat where you can click and have a conversation with me or someone in our team. And you can also chat in WhatsApp, or you can schedule a meeting by going to support and tutorials, or you can suggest a feature. So we have a list where you can see what we have in progress, what was done, and you can suggest anything that you want to be done, and we will consider it. If it's going to be approved, you will see it here in progress and done. Next, we have analytics. Analytics are very important, and you can find them on the analytics page, where you can see what is going to be working for your store. You can see how many people click on the checkout, how many cart views you have, what are the average products per order, how many of your orders actually get the offers that you set up, and then you can see the take rate and all of the details inside this page. So this is very important because that's how you will know which upsells are working or if you need to change something. And I will show you some examples of analytics in a live store. You can see how much revenue you're bringing in the past 30 days or 7 days or today. And then what's the conversion rate, how many cart views you get, how many products per order, which are very important metrics to know. And then here's another analytics in dollars. You can see based on these numbers, it's easy to understand if it's working or if something needs to be changed. Next, we're going to cover the cart editor. So the cart editor is where you edit the layout and the styles of your cart, and this is how it looks like. You can see it on the right side. And then one thing you can do first is to change your colors. So you can change which color you have. Let's say we set up this red color, and then we can have a background. Let's say we're going to set up a beige background like this, but this depends on which colors your brand has. And then you can preview a different product from your products. Let's say we're going to preview this product, and then you can see how it will look like. And you can also change the buttons. For example, if you want to have square buttons or if you want to have round buttons, you can adjust this in roundness. And next thing, I'll show you how to set up a reward. So rewards can be based on amount. So let's say free shipping over $50, or they can be on quantity of items. Let's do based on quantity of items. And we can choose free shipping, free gift, or discount. First, we're going to do the shipping. Let's say international, we'll put free shipping for 2 items. And let's add another market, Mexico, free shipping over 3 items. And you can add other markets as you want, or you can remove them. And then we can publish this offer immediately, or we can schedule it. Scheduling is if you're running free shipping for a limited time. For example, for the next 7 days, for the next month, or just for today. And you can schedule an end date. We're going to just publish this immediately, and we can see the offer showing on the right side in the preview. Once this is set up, just click on Save, and you will be able to preview this cart on your store. So if we click on Preview, you'll be able to see how this looks like. We can hide this bar so we can see the full cart. So this is how the cart looks like, and you'll be able to make changes from the cart editor. Now we have covered the cart editor. I'll show you how to disable and enable elements. So we have many modules here that you can use, which are settings. For example, we can enable the announcement bar and timer, and then we can customize how we want the announcement bar to be. We can change the colors if we want to, and then we can customize the text. So it says your cart is reserved for timer. We can also have a specific date. So we can choose, for example, for May 30th, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. So the whole month of May, we are running this announcement bar, free shipping until ends in, and then you can show the timer. You can also have a fixed timer. Free shipping ends in 10 minutes. It's up to you how you want to set this up. And next, we have the sticky cart bubble. So the cart bubble is what shows when the cart is closed. It can open the cart. So we have the styles for it on this page, where you can click on sticky cart bubble, and you'll be able to see a preview of it. You can change the icon. You can make the icon bigger or smaller. And you can also have to show on all devices or to show on mobile only. And you can also have this option to show only when the products are in cart, so it doesn't show with empty 0. It's up to you. Many Shopify stores prefer to have it always enabled as an easy way to click to continue to checkout. Next, I'll show you how to set up the offer. We have set up the free shipping. Now I'll show how to do buy 2, get 10%. And for this, we go back to the rewards and we click on add another reward, choose order discount, and set up a 10% off. This is what shows in the cart. We have to close the sticky cart bubble so we can see the cart. And then we set up for a minimum quantity of items 3. So when they buy 3, it will show add more item, get free shipping, then add more item, get 10% off. And then we can set up another reward for 15% off, 15% off when they buy 4. So this way we encourage everyone to buy more. So if they have 3, it will say add 1 more and get 15% off. So a bigger discount. They can unlock these rewards by adding more products. That's the purpose, to reward customers for spending more, giving them either gifts or discounts or free shipping. Next, I'll show you how to set up a free gift in the cart, and I'll show you the settings that we have. Again, we go in the rewards progress bar and we click on add another reward and we click on free gift, and here you can choose the product that you want to give for free. So let's say we choose this product and we're going to give it for everyone who buys 6 items, they can get this. You can also set up any kind of amount, or we can set them up based on how much they spend. And we can have the option to show this, to show progress, like add 3 more, or we can show them automatically added when they have 6 items, it can automatically add this product. And then we can save the rewards that we have. And after we save, we can click on preview and we'll be able to see the offers that we have set up. So you can see the free gift and the discounts that we have here in the cart. So when people will adjust the quantity or add more products from the upsells that we set up next, it will show progress, add more item and unlock 10% off. Next, I'll show you how to set up AI recommendations for the products. So for this, we'll go back in the cart editor and click on cross-sell product recommendations, and we can enable them. And then it will choose products based on your chosen method. So the default bestseller products. We can also choose based on AI product recommendations. For this, you will need the Shopify made free app, which is called Search and Discovery. You just have to install it and that's it. It will automatically work. And then you just choose related products. And then you can explore this app. You can go inside the app in the recommendations and you'll see which app the Shopify's AI algorithm chose. So you can also edit and add complementary products. And then you can check to also show complementary products. And next, I'll show you how to set up an in-cart only discount. So if you want to set up these products to show with a discount, you can add a discount right here. Click on offer discount. And then let's say we offer 5%. And then it will look like this. And then we can also have a different layout. We can have it stacked, like to show stacked. You can also edit the text color to be different. And then you can edit the background to be different colors. So it's more visible or less visible. It's up to your branding. And then you can also have it as a slider like this too, so people can slide and see which products the AI recommends. And also you can adjust the title. For example, you can set up, instead of you may also like, recommended for you. So this is how the recommendations work. Next, I'll show you how to set up the shipping protection. This is in the footer and checkout section. And you can click on this checkbox upsell and you just enable it and select a product. You need to create a product which is called shipping protection, or you can upsell gift box, gift wrapping, or returns protection. And you just choose the product and then you can see how this looks like in the footer. So this is the bottom part of the website, just above the checkout. You can have either to say a gift box, for example, add gift box, or you can have a shipping protection product, which is a popular upsell. And we also have the checkout plus mode. So the checkout plus includes the product in the button and also gives the customers the option to check out without protection if they want to. This is a more converting option, but it's up to you how you want to use this upsell. Next, we're going to cover the trust badges. So for the trust badges, you can click on this trust badges inside the footer and checkout, and then you can enable which ones you want. You can have global shipping and it shows up like this, or you can show it like under icon. You can also have bigger font size and it shows up like this. You can choose fast delivery, for example, and then you can choose 5-star support. And if you want to have other badges, you can always submit a request and we will be happy to add more badges for you to use here in the footer section. And you can also display them right off the icon like this. You can also have 4 per row, so you'll be able to display more, or just 2, and then enable 1 more, verified and approved. And you can customize the texts right here. Global shipping, you can say USA shipping, like this, or international shipping. And then you can see how this looks like. Now we have covered the trust badges. Next is translations. So for this, we can go on the translations page, and you can just click on add, and you choose the language that you want. Let's say we're going to do Spanish, and we click on add, and you just wait a little bit, few seconds. It will translate everything that you have, and then you can also edit the text as you want them. For example, instead of tu carito, we can say mi carito, and then it will show here how it will look like. Click on save, and now the customers that will enter from Spain or other Spanish will get this translation, while others who will enter your website from English-speaking countries will get this translation. And you can also switch in the cart editor between your translations, so you edit them directly from the cart editor. So you'll be able to edit them from these modules, the translations that are visible here in the cart. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful, and if you need any other tutorial, you know where to find the support in live chat, on email, or on WhatsApp, or schedule a call with me so I can help you set up the best upsells and the best cart for your Shopify store.